How to download app on LG Smart TV. Now if you want to download app on your LG Smart TV, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is from the home page of your LG Smart TV, at the very bottom you'll find this little dock bar, right, where you have to simply go to this section called apps. And when you go to this section called apps, this is the kind of interface you will see. And what you have to do is you can search for a certain application or a game that you want to download, but you can also simply use any of these applications over here. Let's say you want to download it, you can simply open up that app page, and over there you'll find the install button where you can just hit the install button to download that certain application. Now by the way, to download app on your LG TV Smart TV, you have to make sure to log into your LG TV account as well. So if you haven't done that, you can click the profile icon from the top right to log in. If you want to learn how to create an account, we also have already made a dedicated tutorial on that, so you can simply search them up in our channel. And this way you'll be able to download app on LG Smart TV. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.